In this video, we're going to learn how to use the hyperlink function. You would use the hyperlink function to make a quick, clickable link to a location on your computer, such as a web page, a document in a hard drive, stuff of that nature. Let's go ahead and start here on cell C6. I'll say equal hyperlink and tab it in. I have two arguments, only one of which is required, which is link location. Excel just has to know where is it directing the person when they click on the link. So we're going to go ahead and choose cell B6. I chose cell B6 because I already have the web address put in that cell. I have the full address, that way Excel knows exactly where to go. Next is going to be friendly name. This is optional. You don't have to put this in here. If you don't put a friendly name or a name to reference your link, you could close out the formula like this and just see the same link labeled there. But I'm going to go back in here. I'll say equal hyperlink again for ease of accessibility. Here's my link location. My friendly name is going to be here in cell A6, Google. I'll go ahead and close it out, push enter, and here I see my hyperlink all ready to go. I'll take that formula, copy it down with the fill handle, and here I see my hyperlink function in action.